Had his first double-double since the 14th of November. Kobe pulls out top of the key. In there! Left to right now.
Why do you go? Oh, wow, that's a strange break.
Three, Bryant. Yes, sir! Cross-court Bryant. Bryant a minute and a half into the second quarter. Kobe corner the key. Turns. Shoots. Scores! Now Bryant holding it over his head. Quick pass to Nance. Go right back to Kobe. That's a catch-and-shoot situation for Bryant. He was very fortunate to go to Brandon Bass, who was looping around under the basket. Kobe, that's his patented shot. That's that Kobe Bryant shot.
Sure is.
Again, most of his damage, just about all of it in the first half. Here he is going to the basket. Kobe scores. Williams, lob, Bass again. Give it up to Russell. Here's Kobe. He's going to try a three. Is it going down? Yes! Kobe surveys the floor. Bryant eyes what's in front of him. Bryant with 4 to shoot, with 3. 16 feet out. It's nothing but net for number 24. Kobe, 3 in the lead. Yes! Knocks it down. 101-99.
Oh, boy.
It's all about Bryant versus Beal. Kobe tied at 101. Not anymore. 103-101.
Now this is vintage. Seriously, this is truly vintage Kobe Bryant.